Hi, and welcome back to Music Plus Online. Today's lesson kind of piggybacks on last week's lesson, or last time's lesson, on left-hand independence. So I have a sheet that is available for download. If you click the link below the video, it'll take you right to it. You can download it, so we're looking at the same thing. Today it's basically, what we're just going to do is go over slightly more advanced comping patterns. These are kind of groove-based, so you can kind of repeat them and they'll have a nice groove to them. But ideally, you'll mix and match when you're playing with others. You don't want to be stuck in a rut of playing the same thing over and over and over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play them 1 through 9 for you, and then I'll talk to you afterwards. So let's hear what they sound like. Great. Now that you've done that, the next step is to go and check out other resources for left-hand independence. This isn't the end-all be-all, and I can't just keep writing new things for you to write each week. You're going to need more than this, and there's already a ton of literature out there. I would check out John Riley's book, The Art of Bop Drumming. I would check out Syncopation. That's another great book. Or Advanced Techniques for the Modern Drummer by Jim Chapin. All of these have the ride cymbal pattern written out and then a line over top of them of music that you can practice. Or sorry, a line underneath that you can practice. Great resources, and there's a ton of stuff to practice. And as I always say, make sure that you have a good strong quarter note pulse in the ride cymbal and that all of your instruments line up and that the sound of the snare doesn't dominate the sound of the ride cymbal. The ride cymbal is your beat. Okay, it is your beat. So, but having said that, check back next time and we'll talk about bass drum independence, and that's where it gets crazy.